PRs. This would not be a stream with me if it was not, at the very least, kind of a little bit last minute. So bear with me while I just check that a few things got set up correctly. Let's go ahead. I'm going to just bring up the YouTube stream here because the Restream YouTube integration has been having a little bit of difficulty. So we're just going to want to make sure that that's going okay. Looks like it's not, but that's okay. I can just manually monitor that. Okay. And so with that, we'll switch into live mode. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and find some PRs to review. So normally I would go to the Spark PR review dashboard, but last week I reviewed a few Spark Kubernetes PRs already. And so I want to follow up with those. Oh wait, no, these are the new ones that I wanted to look at. Well, okay, I'm going to grab the new ones I wanted to look at, bring them over onto the screen, as well as the ones we looked at last week. Okay, this one's my own, and it's merged. And okay, and we'll bring this one over. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, let's start with this one. I don't think I left any comments on it. Oh, maybe I did. I did leave some comments, but just sort of general ones. Let's scroll down to the very bottom, see if anything has happened since we last took a look at this, and that's a no. So I left a comment 7 days ago, but nothing else has happened since then on the PR. So we're just going to go ahead and save that one for another time. This one is one of my own PRs. Sean Owen merged it for us, so that's great. So we're going to go ahead and close that. And this one, I think I was looking at, and I got a little bit confused while I was looking at it. So I maybe left some comments on it, unless my memory's off, because that happens too. So, okay, yeah, there we go. So here are my comments from 7 days ago. Okay. So yeah, I think you make a really good point, but as far as I know, there's no identifier of container. Okay. So that's okay. This is probably a corner case, but for example, the Google Kids folks launch their own containers. It's Spark, I believe. So let's try and make a note of this in the migration guide. And like, this is probably, no, corner cases is not wrong. A rare case. But so yeah, this is just like, this isn't going to impact a lot of people. Oh, hello. Hi, friend. Oh, and the portal. Yay. Cool. The little chat thingy is being cheese-based today. There we go. That's back. So, although it doesn't show me the chat history, but that's all right. So that is yes. So this is the part where I asked, is this change required because of the filtering, or is it just for clarity when debugging? And it's change is needed because now they're checking the name of the pod exactly. So that makes sense. I'm pretty good. You know, life is pretty happy, all things considered. How about you? How are your adventures? Let's go up. Let's go take a look at the files that are changed. So, I mean, yeah, realistically, this looks pretty okay to me. Let's actually, yeah, let's put in the time to see if we can say this looks good to me. Or actually, I wonder if James Malone is yeah, okay. Oh, cool. Good luck. I've been there having to have an exterminator come by the house. It was very stressful. So good luck. I hope that goes as well as it can. Yeah. Let's James Malone, GitHub, Google. Let's see if we can find. Well, I wonder if this is the James Malone. That photo is a little hard to recognize if that's the person. Dinosaurs, data, and other stuff. Not part of the Google org though, so probably not. What is Twitter handle is? Is it? Nope, wrong company. Okay, I want to ping James on this PR because I know it's gonna potentially impact what his team is doing, but what about I'll just ping someone else who I know that is on that team. Although I also have to remember their GitHub handle. So that was 29. No, oh, that wasn't in London. Okay. No, okay. Okay. Yeah, let's whatever. Well, we'll just ping them, and hopefully that's the right person. If not, you know, whatever. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, no, keeping track of everyone here is pretty much that's impossible. That's fine though. Okay. I don't want to give an LGTM until someone who's like potentially impacted by this change says like, yeah, whatever, we're fine with it. But I would say like, well, we should probably come back to this one because I think it's really close. I get the request for a test, although I'm not sure what a good test would look like. It also sounds like it's going to go away at some point in usefulness too. Okay, actually, yeah, let's think really quickly what a good test for this would look like. Failed executor with running sidecar. Is the let's ask is the below now what you're looking for. Okay, cool. And we'll just go add another single comment. And that sounds good. Okay, cool. And if they say that's the test that they're looking for, then I think we're good. So that's great. Okay, let's move on. Enable Spark R integration tests. Hey, this is from Alon. I was just talking with him this morning. And it does not merge. Yeah, okay, so he's asking that I make a change. So what I'm gonna do is, I have access to the machines he wants to make the change on, but I'm gonna ask, essentially, hey, chain, I'm happy to make the change. Alon wants to test this. Is asking for if you're okay with it. And so that's just like, hey, what's up? Yeah, I can totally change how we're building this to actually build it with R. You know, that's not a big change. But given that Jenkins did go down today and we sort of like lost all our builds for a little while, I'm gonna, you know, essentially like check in with Shane before I go ahead and start editing our Jenkins configurations. And Jenkins being down for, you know, a part of today is why, you know, these jobs got kicked off in the last 6 hours. And then also, hey, do you have time to update this? Cool. And so we'll just ask that, and that's great. So, because yeah, I mean, updating the tests, not really worth it if we're not going to get a chance to actually, you know, do anything with it. Okay, add variable to disable negative DNS caching. Oh yeah, okay, this actually sounds useful. A lot of participants. Interesting. Okay, yeah. Interesting. Huh. All right. This... Huh. Okay. So the people are essentially debating what the right way to do this is. Oof. And that's cool, but honestly, I don't really care. I don't have strong opinions about this PR. So I think, you know, let's just leave this to the people who have strong opinions about it. Adding another voice to the disagreement, or discussion, not disagreement, to the discussion here, I don't think is going to drive it to consensus any faster. So let's stay out of this one. Okay, and dealing with K8 resource names that don't match their own regular expression. Okay, and okay. Oh, okay, this is what it's gonna do. So, okay, what's the latest comments here? Yeah. Okay. Well, at the very least, what we can do... Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the diff really quickly first, then we can give it an okay to test. Yeah, okay. So nothing malicious going on. So this part is the easiest. Okay to test, right? And so we're just saying, like, hey, what's up? This person isn't trying to do terrible things. So that part's really easy. The next part is less easy. Okay, let's take a look. So, get resource name prefix. Okay, so this just says if it starts with a dash, just replace it. But wait, isn't wait, I'm slightly confused. Because this looks like this is duplicated. But wait, is this? Is this not already covered in L199? Would it make sense to... Wait, the L199 says replace... Okay, right. No, okay. Sorry, I'm misreading this. Okay, cool. Would it make sense to have this match on, so essentially, well, actually, no, it's already taken care of on line 200. So all dashes are replaced. Okay, I'm not sure I understand Sean's question. So let's go down and take a look over here. Resolve service name, if preferred service name length. Okay, which is Kubernetes conf is less than the maximum length, and character is letter. Seems. Okay. Okay. So the Fabric 8 API asserts that we have to start with A to Z, and then we can have, okay, a number of that to a max of 63. Okay. Assume a service named foo. So it matches the domain label. That's why there are these. limitations. So this doesn't seem to work all that well. Like, all we've done, like resolve service name is just Kubernetes conf resource name prefix, driver service postfix, and get resource name prefix. Okay, let's see here. Where is get resource name prefix called from, I guess is our question. Let's expand it out. Yeah, okay, actually, oh, cool. Is inside of Spark. Nope. Resource managers. Okay. So Kubernetes conf, cool. Okay, yeah, fine. Kubernetes conf.scala get resource. Okay, so it's filtered out up here, and we already assert that it has to start with a character. Don't we? No, we don't. Character is letter, preferred service name. Yeah. So this feels like, to me, a weird place to check that it's a character, given that the rest of the validation happened in is a letter, sorry. To check that it's a letter. What do you think about moving this check there? Yeah, I would say. Falling back to yeah, let's check what isLetter is. That's a good point. Oh, cool. You have better docs than I do. Drag it over. Oh yeah, this is a lot of letters. Yeah, okay. Cool, thanks. That's legit. I would have just guessed, but I'm not that classy. Although I think we've filtered out everything which isn't everything which isn't a lowercase character already. Right, like this is this has already gotten rid of all of them. So what is this check? What is... I don't understand this check, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna say I don't understand the purpose of character is letter check. Here. We've already filtered this down to only things A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9. Let me. A to Z, 0 to 9. Yeah, actually, we've. Yeah. A to Z and 0 to 9. Wait, yeah. I was really hoping this is going to be a super easy one because it's super tiny, but turns out tiny does not necessarily mean easy to understand. The service name that starts with 0 to 9 is okay, right, yeah. If we need to match the fabric 8 regex below, shouldn't this be replace all? To replace any non-alpha character, to replace any leading / first non-alpha character. I think, does this make sense? I don't know. I think this makes sense. And if I'm wrong, the wonderful thing is they can come back and tell me why I'm wrong. Yeah. Okay, no. I like the message. Yep. Change. Okay. Cool. We're gonna go ahead. Thanks for working on this. I've got a question about two of the checks. I'd like to understand. Cool. So I think that's okay. And that's not bad. All things considered. I was hoping I was gonna get a chance to merge one of these. Yeah, this is the earlier one. Close that one. Now, but we didn't get a chance to merge it. That's okay. I mean, that's honestly pretty normal. Most times when I sit down to do a review, especially when I'm giving myself 30 minutes to get through a few PRs, I don't get to find one that's ready for merging. But yeah, okay, cool. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna use this as a good wrap point. It's 6:30. I'm gonna go ahead and do something a little different on Wednesday. I think this week at 9 a.m. I think it's 9 a.m. Let's double check. Yeah, so Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific, I'm gonna go ahead and start to explore Apache Iceberg. I really haven't played with it yet. I really want to, so I'm gonna go ahead and explore that. Probably next week, I'm gonna go ahead and set up Scala Metals. So that should be all kinds of fun. Oh, yay! Hi Jim. Sorry, the YouTube comments they don't get pushed automatically. And the other thing that I'm going to try and do this week is I'll try and get another Friday code review in, probably Friday morning. And yeah, next week I'll do setting up Scala Metals with Emacs. And actually, yeah, once I close up this stream, I'm going to go ahead and schedule those all. So thanks for joining me. I hope to see some of you Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. Pacific, or you can catch the recording. Have a lovely rest of your week. Yeah, I'm excited for metals. You can go here.